Hey everyone, Christian here. Welcome again to another episode. Today we're going to talk about the Mi LED ceiling light. Alright.
Okay, so this is the Mi LED ceiling light, which is now compatible with the Google Assistant, Alexa voice, and also with Siri. So on the side you can see all the standard markings and the specs itself. So when you open it, it's quite similar to the old version, which is under E-Light, but there are some changes on it. So it still has a quick release latch, so for easy installation. You can check out the manual itself. They show you all the details on how to install it. You can even just do the wiring yourself, or you can get a professional to help it for you. So it's quite similar, as I mentioned, is similar to the previous version, but this doesn't come with the remote control because it's fully controlled via the app. Okay, the dimensions, the thickness is quite similar to the previous version under the E-Light LED ceiling light as well. And if you want to install it yourself, it's quite labeled properly, and there's a full description on the manual itself. And as I mentioned, it's fully controlled via the app, so you can adjust the color, temperature, adjust the brightness. Also, you can set to moonlight light, and there's a high color index. Smart scenes, there are actually presets for the smart scenes, or you can pair it with a smart home using Siri, Google Assistant, or Alexa voice. And it's fully controlled. You can set scenes, and you can actually set automation as well, and there will be constant firmware updates which will be prompted when available. And you can pair it with your Mi Band so that it will auto switch off when you are asleep.
So what do you think about the Mi LED ceiling light? Put your comments below. Subscribe for more Mi videos. Until next time.